So now we're going to focus on the concept of time. You are the present. So today, now, and the present is the Y hand shape when you're going down. You could say today by doing this. Today. Or 2 days. Or 3 days. The past is behind you. So anything moving backwards is in the past. And the future is ahead of you. The future. Yesterday is going to be an A hand shape, and you're going to move backwards. Yesterday. Tomorrow, again an A hand shape, and I'm just going to flick off your cheek. You're not going to push your cheek up and out, you're just going to flick it off the cheek. Week. I'm just going to draw one across for week. Now weekend, you can do it this way by opening your hand, or you could leave your finger with one. Weekend. Now if you want to say last week, you're going to go over the shoulder because it's moving to the past. Last week, or week ago. And you can incorporate your numbers now. So 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And we stop at 9, and I'll explain that at the end of the video. Next week, you're going to move it forwards. Next week. Now month, you're going to see the back of your hand. This is what you should see. I should see this part. So month, you're going to draw one down. Month. And just like week ago and week from now, a month ago, a month from now. You're going to move it backwards for the past and forwards for the future. And again, you can incorporate your numbers now. So 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 2 months from now, 3 months from now. Year. One full cycle. Your signing hand is the one that goes around your supporting hand. Year. So 1 year. 2 year. Now when we do last year and next year, we used to go year ago, year from now. But we simplified it. Last year. And next year. And just like the week and the month, we stop at 9. 9 years ago, 9 years from now. Half an hour. This is your clock. So you're going to go from the 12 to the 6 for half an hour. Now this is good for when I say, I'll meet you in half an hour. We do not use half an hour for time 1/2 hour. No. Doesn't sound right. You go time 1:30. Time 2:30. Now if you want to say an hour, you go all the way around your clock, an hour. And you can incorporate your numbers again. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and we stop at 9. Now if you want to say minutes, you're supposed to have your clock and get your 1 and 1 minute. 1 minute. You can do this, but there is a resident whose Usher syndrome gets in the way. It might be a little bit easier for her to see it this way. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And again, we stop at 9. And the other sign I'm going to show you is wait. Okay, now the reason we stop at 9 for 9 weeks, 9 months, is because when you're doing 10, you're supposed to shake it. You're not going to go 10 weeks ago. It just looks awful and it feels awkward. So what we do is we go 10 weeks past, 10 weeks future. Same with month. 10 months past, 10 months in the future. And same with the year. 10 years past, 10 years in the future. And same with the minutes and the hours. You're not going to go 10 hours ago. You go 10 hours past, 10 hours future. So anything from 10 and up is when you do 10, 11, 12 hours. Same with the minute, because you can go 9 minutes. It's not going to go 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Just looks bad. It's bad grammar. So you go 10 minutes. Future, 10 minutes. Past. Okay? So that's the concept of time.